Welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the oldest, most respected, and most influential Linux distributions in history, Slackware Linux. If you've ever heard people say classic Unix-style Linux, no hand-holding or the distro for true experts, they're probably talking about. But what makes Slackware so legendary? Why has it survived for more than 30 years while so many other distros disappeared? And is Slackware still worth using in 2025? Let's dive in. Slackware was first released in 1993 by Patrick Volkerding, making it the oldest actively maintained Linux distribution. That alone gives it a legendary status. But the real reason it's famous is its philosophy, simplicity, stability, and staying close to Unix traditions. Unlike modern distros like Ubuntu, Fedora, or Manjaro that include automation, dependency managers, and graphical installers, Slackware takes a very different approach. It avoids unnecessary changes in tools, giving users a clean, predictable system. Many people describe Slackware as simple, not easy, stable, not flashy, traditional, not modernized, and that's exactly why its users love it. Slackware does not automatically resolve dependencies. If you install software, you are responsible for knowing what libraries it needs. Some people see this as a weakness, but Slackware fans see it as control and transparency. There's no system either. Slackware uses traditional BSD-style init scripts, which many users prefer because they're easy to read, customize, and troubleshoot. One of Slackware's biggest strengths is stability, because the system changes slowly and packages are thoroughly tested. Slackware is known for being servers running Slackware can stay up for years without problems. This makes it a favorite for people who value reliability over new features. Slackware also teaches Linux deeply. Just like Gen 2 or Arch, Slackware forces you to understand how your system works. Configuring networking, services, bootloaders, and packages is often done manually. If you learn Slackware, you gain real Linux knowledge that carries over to other systems. But let's be honest, Slackware isn't for everyone. There's no graphical installer by default, no automatic package management, and fewer user-friendly tools. New users may find it confusing or slow to set up. Installing a desktop environment, multimedia support, or drivers can require extra steps. So who is Slackware for? It's ideal for advanced Linux users, people who love Unix philosophy, system administrators, minimalists who want full control, users who value stability over bleeding edge features if you want a system that just works. Slackware may feel too manual. But if you want a system that never surprises you and does exactly what you configure, Slackware is amazing. Slackware also inspired several popular distributions, including OpenSUSE, which aim to bring Slackware stability with more modern tools. Now, the big question, is Slackware still worth using in 2025? Absolutely, if you appreciate its philosophy. Slackware remains one of the most stable and trusted Linux systems ever made. It doesn't chase trends, it doesn't break suddenly, and it respects the user's control. In a world where many distros automate everything, Slackware stands out as a system built on trust and simplicity. So tell me, have you ever tried? Did you find it refreshing or challenging? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.